Hello everyone, good morning. So today I want to welcome you for another grateful garden harvest here in a small garden. So here let's start with bottle gourd. So lately it really been raining here, and this time I was gonna wait for a while, but then we noticed that the vine starts to break, and then we decided to harvest this big bottle gourd today. So here, if you're curious guys how to grow your own bottle gourd, I have a separate video there for you. You can check it out later. So this one is a different shape and variety than I usually grow. This one is more shorter and rounder at the bottom. This is very easy to grow. And then let's go here to tomatoes. These are some of my vining tomatoes. Decided to harvest them as they turn red soon, so it's kind of a bit heavy at the bottom of this plant. So in order for the energy to go up, we need to harvest at the bottom fruits. This type of vining tomatoes is very different. It requires a strong trellis. How I recommend to grow this, guys. This is a better boy variety. It's similar to a bush tomatoes, the shape itself. The last time I grew like a beefsteak tomato, they are bigger, but this one is even though it's in the smaller size, they do have it like very juicy. Oh, this one already get a bite. We can compost this. And this is the bush tomatoes we've been harvesting many times already. Very prolific as well. You may notice, guys, if it's been really rainy there in your place or garden, some tomatoes they tend to break the skin because of the big flush of water. And here there's another vine tomato here, and they do really great for salad. You can eat it as these. Even in a ripe one, they are very fresh and healthy. And of course, it's really beautiful. And this summer is really great to slice them or eat them as raw. Has some squash sprawling around here planted. So how's your garden, guys? What you've been growing this incoming summer season? It's a mix of rainy and very hot weather here in Florida. So I have some few more tomatoes. They said they do tend to become sweeter when they start to break the skin. But let's see. So I have some more bush tomatoes here. These are really amazing plants for a small garden, or if you have a small space. I'll recommend this variety. And let's go now here with our bush baby bush eggplant. This is like bachelor eggplant, really great for containers. My first time growing this and my second harvest so far with this variety. And this one is the Ichiban. The last time I got like I think one harvest, but it is a really, it has this thin skin to it. How recommended, really. It is an amazing shiny color and deep, rich, looking color to it. It's my first time also growing Ichiban eggplant. So let's go now here to our banana peppers so far. This one, it is really fruiting so well. The last time I've encountered some aphids. So what I did is that I just cut the top of it. Eventually I pruned them and they really bounced back and had a lot of fruit this time. Have you grown banana peppers, guys? Please comment down below. I'd love to hear from you. What is your favorite peppers to grow this summer? So I have two kinds of peppers here, the banana pepper and the other one, the spicy one. So this is just growing in the pot. You can also harvest the leaves as well. It is really very prolific, and you can saute them, put them in stew or soups. Now we still have some kale here. So far, it has really been very generous. I planted this kale since winter. It has really been growing well. And over here we have some nasturtiums. So try to include in our life some salad greens. I hadn't have any space yet for lettuce or something like that. So I try to incorporate some different mixtures of kale, nasturtium for raw foods, salads. Also include the flowers. They are all edible, and they have this pepper taste, similar with like radish or mustard taste. Speaking of radish, these are radish flowers that you can eat as well. They are very prolific as well because they are kind of common again vegetables. You can let them seed and flowers, and you cut it back and still have they will bounce back. So here is like a green plant, so kind of like a soup. Broccoli that sprouts tiny florets. This is something I've never grown before. Have this beautiful yellow flowers similar with bok choy, and they do really well with salad because they have this tender leaves, very fresh. So I have this fennel as dill, I should say. My first time try to include them in salad, and these are some of the things you can include in your garden as does not require a lot of space. So here I had harvested some of the seeds from the radishes, and I really just sprouted them, and they really grow so well in pot. So there you go, friends. Thank you for watching and harvesting with us today. If you want to watch more videos, we have a whole playlist there for you. Thank you and happy gardening.